Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Steam account quickly and easily. Just follow these steps, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of gaming on Steam. First, open the Steam application. If you don't have Steam installed yet, you can check out our video tutorial on how to download and install Steam, linked in the description. When you open Steam, you'll see the login screen. At the bottom of the screen, click the Create a Free Account button. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your email address, select your country, and verify that you are not a robot. You'll also need to check the boxes to confirm that you are over 13 years old. Once you've completed the form, click Continue. Steam will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email and click the Verify My Email Address button. After completing the verification, return to the registration window on Steam. Next, you'll be prompted to create a username and password. Choose a unique username or use one of Steam's suggestions if your chosen name is already taken. When you see the available message, enter a secure password and confirm it by retyping. Then click Done. If all the information is correct, you'll receive a message confirming that your new account has been successfully created. Click Continue to log in using the credentials you just created. For your first login, you'll need to enter a verification code that Steam sends to your email. Check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field on Steam. You don't need to type in the code manually. Instead, copy the code, place your cursor in the first field, and press Ctrl-V to paste. The code will automatically be entered in the correct order. Now you're ready to explore the world of games on Steam. You can search for and download your favorite games directly from the main interface, or check out our video guide on how to download games from Steam, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.